Hi everybody, so today I am talking about the Gucci Jumbo belt bag. So I didn't even realize they sold this until I randomly was just looking for more belt bags and I came across this on their website, and I've actually been after a really huge belt bag for some time. So this one I feel like is perfect for me. It's one of the cheapest designer, like luxury designer bum bags you can actually get, and it's one of the largest from what I've seen. So here it is. The difference between like this one and say the Louis Vuitton one is there is no pocket on the inside, like a zipper or anything, which I find is quite handy on the Louis Vuitton one because I always just put my phone in there so I can just quickly grab it. And there's no pockets on the inside either. So this is what it looks like. It's huge, so it is really big. It's bigger than the Louis Vuitton one, which is exactly what I wanted. And I feel like you won't need to be as careful with this one, probably, because obviously still be careful, but because it's not got the leather straps, I get really worried about wearing my Louis Vuitton one in the rain because I don't want it to stain. So I feel like this one is fabric. It's a bit more flexible. It fits nicely as a bum bag, and that's the main reason I got it. I want to wear it as a belt bag or a bum bag around my waist, and I find that with the Louis Vuitton one I tend not to, just because it's a bit it's not as good. Like, you can't, on the tightest setting it's still a bit loose, so it depends what I'm wearing. So I wanted something that was really adjustable. So this one is really adjustable. So I got 80 centimeters. I wanted the smallest one. I did look on a couple of websites that also sell it, but they only had the 90 or the 100. So I had to get it direct from the Gucci website. And at the moment it's on, so I could tighten it a little bit, loosen it just a little bit more. So it's on one of the loosest settings, and it does fit well as a, wearing it across the body, and it's still quite roomy. So it's literally massive, which is what I wanted. So I wanted to have the option of either bringing loads of things with me if I wanted to or not, and it fitting, because it's quite flexible, the material, you can fit loads in it, which is perfect, which is really good if you're going away or traveling or whatever. Yep, so this is how it looks across the body, and then I could wear it as like a backpack like this, which is quite nice. So I love the strap as well. I really love the strap. It's like classic Gucci. I will now show you how I would wear it across my waist. So I'm going to tighten it. So yeah, I was debating whether to get the Gucci Kids one, but obviously they come in more like funky prints. I wanted something very classic, and this one is just perfect. So I wanted the option for it to actually fit around my waist, and for it to be flexible if I ever lost weight, like weight fluctuates. So I'm putting it quite tight right now. There we go. Yeah. So it's on basically almost the tightest setting. So as you can see, I can tighten it a bit more, which is what I wanted. And this fits perfectly around my waist. So I wanted to be able to wear it around my waist or around my hips, which is why I wanted to make sure I got the 80. So as you can see, it's very flexible. So it literally folds across your waist. And there's plenty of room inside. The only thing is, and I'll show you, once you put stuff inside, it does become quite bulky. So I still feel like if you want to wear it as a belt bag or a bum bag, you need to be careful with what you're putting in so it can look quite nice and not really bulky, if that makes sense. And well, like this. So it's really big, but I love it. I think it looks really nice. Like, I think that's the whole point. It's meant to be a jumbo bag, and it looks really nice. And then you can also wear it like backwards, which I wouldn't. I'd probably wear it a bit to the side, and then I've got the option to actually wear it around my hips as well. And depending on what I'm wearing, like if I was wearing leggings and I wanted a more of a tighter fit, I've still got room to tighten it a bit. So I was worried that the 90 wouldn't have that. So I really, really like it. It's £755. I think it's worth it. It's one of the cheapest ones out there. The kids bum, it'll be interesting to see what the difference is with the Gucci kids belt bag, but I don't have that yet. Maybe I will one day. I will now show you compared to the Louis Vuitton bum bag, which is this. So as you can see, the Gucci one is bigger and it's longer, it fits more, but then it doesn't have, so it's not as sturdy. So I was wearing this today as a crossbody, and I will show you what I basically had in it. So not much really. So I just had a card holder from Accessorize, my Louis Vuitton key pouch, Dior lip glow, and my Dior makeup bag. So I've popped that all in, and there is so much room. So where this kind of just fits in the bum bag and I still have room for a few more small things, there is plenty of room. So let's see how this looks now that I've got my actual everyday items in. So I would need to, it's quite tight now that I put more stuff in, so I'd need to loosen it a bit. So like I said, it's good to have the flexibility there. So I'm just going to loosen it quickly. There we go. Right, there we go. So as you can see, what I said before, it is quite bulky, so you'd probably need to like maybe rearrange some things, so you can't really chuck it in. So I'm just moving it around, moving the makeup bag there. There we go. So that looks okay actually. It doesn't look too bad. And if I wanted to wear it on my hips, I'd loosen it a bit more. Or I could just wear it at the front, which is so much easier. So those are my first thoughts of the bag. I really like it. It is massive, but I think that's the whole point of this bag. You can wear it also, you know, like this, which is really good. You've got the option to wear it. You can't really wear it as an actual shoulder bag like this, because this it kind of is in the way. Whereas with the Louis Vuitton one, you definitely can wear it just like this too, so there's nothing inside. Whereas you don't really have that option, but you can wear it across the body like this, as a backpack, and mainly as a belt bag, which I think is perfect. So I haven't actually taken the plastic packaging off just in case I wanted to swap the sizing, but I actually think I'll keep it. So yeah, I feel like it's the perfect bag, and it will be my everyday bag because it fits so much. And it's good because if you're shopping, you can literally just put more stuff in. So let me know what you think. Yeah.